really like working with Titan, and we haven't seen a printer like this Atlas where you can combine pellet-based feeding and filament feeding to feed a truly industrial machine. So for us, that's a great combination. Allowed us here today to demonstrate two materials that we like to talk about. The first one being the build material, a recycled PLA, and so this material incorporates some ground up, cleaned up post-consumer cup scrap from venues, and then it combines that with some post-industrial scrap. And then the second material that we're able to demonstrate is coming via the filament form, and that's the Breakaway Support grade that we just launched last week. It's really exciting to work with Titan and combine the two. Our material's been used in filament form for quite a while, but really in the pellet form we see that being a potential direction this industry will go, especially with larger format printers like this. So being able to combine the two really is the best of both worlds.